Okay, students, we will start the class. After a long gap, we are meeting. So last week we discussed nicely one of the interesting case study how an illiterate person entered into Mumbai and create new venture. Based upon that, what you understand, that is a very important thing. Today also we are going to discuss an literate person. That is the difference. A case study and how he established the business. That's what we are going to discuss. So, based upon the case studies, you have to understand the concept clearly. It is not only understanding the concept, you are able to apply the mindset. That is very important thing. So, when you are studying or seeing the case study, change your mindset, not as a story, but as what are all the core points you must remember when you are commencing your own venture. Maybe within 5 years or 10 years, or at least even after 20 years, you may be an entrepreneur and you are going to empower the others. That is the focus of today's class. So, as usual, few students responded neatly to the previous classes. This time I am expecting more participants from your side. I hope you had your nice tea break and you are all fresh because the climate is also like that. You can't see the sun directly. So you are all fresh now to hear the class. Okay. So let us start with the previous reflections and what I posted in the blog. In the blog, I created about one of the news taken from the Economic Times. How far the Amazon is creating new ventures. Interesting story. And remember that during this pandemic time, it has been reported nicely in some of the north states. It gained a very good momentum among the public. Amazon wished to empower some of the entrepreneurs, and to their surprise, it worked well. And most of the business people, they are able to create a nice business throughout the globe. Of course, 90% in India. So such a nice job was done by the Amazon. You can see from this discussion the entrepreneurship activity. In the previous class, we have discussed about the dosawala. We discussed his nature as an entrepreneur. When we discussed the concept of Amazon, that is the entrepreneurship. That is why I posted that one in the blog. Nice answers posted by you. I have to appreciate all of you. Of course, I have gone through till yesterday night what are all your major postings I identified, starting from Abin, how he created that one. And all of your answers are up to the mark. First, thank you all of you for participating in this nice discussion. And this time, most of them participated with their name also. That is very nice. You can see the maybe in view Amazon to help small scale business to bounce back on their feet. That is nice thing. How the bounce backing is coming, how the entrepreneurship activity has been created by the Amazon, according to Mebin, how it is coming reverse direction as well as the forward direction. So this is the entrepreneurship style in India. Amazon is doing in almost all the countries, but coming to India, how it identified these people? Bounce banking effect. Next, Akshita, she mentioned about the small scale business growth strategy. She identified how far Amazon is identifying the Indian calendar effect. and created a nice entrepreneurship strategy in India. Santosh also mentioned some of the profitability, how Amazon gives its profit to small scale people. Angeline mentioned about the how to strengthen the business of others. Amazon is already developed, but Angeline clearly mentioned how others can strengthen the business. Kiran mentioned about good statistics from the Merchant Association and how far the Amazon is creating a CSR value among these people. And by developing the small business, it is another style. You can see that one, the goodwill has been earned not only by Amazon, but also creating the goodwill for the new startups. How the people know you are a startup? You may have number of business. How other people will know? So Amazon act as an intermediary among the small business people and the customers to create a nice goodwill. Their name came into existence now. You are a good entrepreneur. You are doing a nice job. But your name should come out in a common platform so that everybody can see. Then only you will be branded. Your goodwill will increase. See the concept of entrepreneurship here. Darshan quoted about the customer and how they benefits from the competition. He identified nicely the competition, how the entrepreneurs are able to survive in the competition. They face the problem during the COVID pandemic due to this competition. But how far one person empowered others, how to overthrow the competition, how to get rid of competition, all this an entrepreneurship activity must know. Nikshita clearly identified the how you can explore the new options and opportunity in different manner. So almost all of your answers are nice. I think Rosemary also mentioned the initiatives, how far it is going to benefit the GDP. And Mary Niksha, she also mentioned about the opportunities, how the lakhs of sellers are identifying. Rini mentioned about the situation, what is the ground situation, how the small people are able to convert it into a big people. And Prajwal mentioned the empowering with the help of MSMEs also. He moved to one step further and mentioned about the MSME activity. And Brother Dominic also mentioned once upon a time how the small business people are destroying, how we can create a new life to them. Nice thing. Sagar mentioned the concept of sharing the profit with the concept of empowering. Okay, nice discussion, students. Based upon that, all your answers are 99.9% correct. You are asking what about 0.1%? It is with the others, those who are not answered. Okay, so all these activities, what you posted grouply, now we used to call it as an entrepreneurship. First day we discussed the entrepreneur, a person who came from a small village and moved to the Mumbai, and he created a nice business activity with a new vision how we can serve the society. That is why he is considered as a good entrepreneur. Amazon, already an entrepreneur, they are already doing a big business. How the Amazon is doing all this activity, that is entrepreneurial activity. It helped others to create the business, empowering others, marketability, creating the goodwill, all you mentioned. These we used to call it as entrepreneurship activity. That is why there is one quote mentioned about the entrepreneurs. If there is no real business or risk, you are not an entrepreneur. You may be a good entrepreneur. When we used to call you as an entrepreneur, if you are ready to take the risk, Amazon is providing the opportunity to the entrepreneurs to take the risk. How many of them come forward and join hands with Amazon to do all those activities? They are ready to come along with the collaborative partner Amazon to do their business. They are ready to take risks. Somebody mentioned about the competition. During this competitive world, how you are going to take the risk and you are able to survive in the riskier world. That is this is a very interesting quote about the entrepreneur. Dear students, you must know the basic difference between the entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. The purpose is you are an entrepreneur or you may be an entrepreneur in future. Entrepreneurship is the set of activities you have to perform or somebody will perform. You have to join hands with them. Then only it is successful. That is why on the other day I shared another news also about the PC Mustafa. How he made the business. Of course, in Bangalore, I think some of you know about this person. He visited our campus twice. How the Mustafa created a nice business is simply he used to sell idli and dosa like our dosa case study, dosa vendor case study. But his aim is different. In previous example, we have identified that how you can create a Mexican dosa, how you can create a Chinese dosa, all those things. But here, PC Mustafa created another story by creating how to make your idli and dosas, a traditional one, but in a different manner. I think some of you had this type of ID fresh food, idli and dosa. Dosa is very crispy. That is how he identified nothing an innovative one because he want to be an entrepreneur. He is ready to take the innovation as a challenge. The challenge he has taken is how we can make idli and dosa. Previous example was different. How Dosawala created his innovation strategies, how to create Mexican dosa. But here it is not like that. Mustafa's story is entirely different. How you can make your own dosa. See that one. The entrepreneurship is in the lifestyle of everybody. Everybody will be an entrepreneur once. But different stories are in different style. That is why his turnover is moving up to 100 crores. That is the recent news. I hope you might have read about that one. He started in a small manner. Now he is moving towards the 100 crores achievement. And he is considered as the breakfast king in the country, which is having the annual turnover of rupees 100 crores. Think about that one. He created his own business. He branded himself. He created his own goodwill. That is an entrepreneur. That is why I shared the news of an entrepreneur. And the blog news is about the entrepreneurship. So, dear students, you may be an entrepreneur or you want to become an entrepreneur in near future. So, based upon this previous discussion, how you can say a person as an entrepreneur, or Hariharan may be a good entrepreneur, Sanoj may be another good entrepreneur. All these entrepreneurial activities are with everybody, with all the 171 students. But when we used to call it as an entrepreneur, that is the core discussion. You can see, as per this quote, you have to take first risk. An entrepreneur is a person who is considered as an individual taking initiative to bundle the resources for innovative ways. What is the innovation? In case of Dosawala, he was considered as a businessman when he was considered as an entrepreneur when he created a Mexican dosa and served in the one of the city, one mall in Mumbai. Till then, nobody thought that he came for Mumbai only for doing the business. You must be able to differentiate between businessman and an entrepreneur. Now you are a businessman, some persons. You are able to market some of the product. You are a businessman, but entrepreneur is different. He have two things essential. One is innovation, another is risk taking in terms of uncertainty. Why we call it as Dosawala as an entrepreneur? He innovated something. Regularly, everybody is taking idli and dosa in southern side, but he created a Mexican dosa and he created a new varieties of dosa for New Zealand. That time it makes him as an entrepreneur. He is ready to take the risk. Everybody laughed. Oh, this fellow is going to create with nonsense, with sense. But he did it. Same thing in case of PC Mustafa example. You have seen the nice example. And innovation. What is that innovation? In those days, we used to depend upon the flours of making idli and dosa, but he created an ID butter. How to make dosa? He created something innovation in making a product. In my view, it is a crispy. I hope some of you might have the dosa made by this ID butter. Anybody had known about PC Mustafa? What? No answer. You started sleeping.
No, sir.
Why you are saying no, pa?
I know about Mustafa song only, sir.
Yes, good. Then, Sanoj, what you are doing? Sanoj is not there. Sneha, you can see you are not ready to take some risk. Harshida, Hemant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hemant, do you know about this ID? Mustafa?
I know ID, sir, but Mustafa.
Oh, you know your ID. Good. You doesn't know about Mustafa. Whether you had that dosa made by ID butter?
Yes, sir.
What is its taste?
It's good, sir.
If you are saying good means you are not tasted properly. Huh? If you are having a nice food, you must know what is its taste. Yeah. Good. Anyhow, Hemant is having some fear to answer. If he says no, something will happen. So that is the fear among the Hemant. I understood that one. Good, Hemant. Anyhow, answered something nicely. Okay, you can see this one. Some innovation is there. Then you are able to plan in terms of uncertainty. That is why the present entrepreneur should have some creative mind. He has to take more time. In case of PC Mustafa example, he mentioned he worked for continuously 48 hours. If the orders are coming, then you have to depend upon the rewards. It may come any. And most of the thing, you have to create your own assumption. This assumption may be wrong, but you have to make it in a right direction. Then only you are considered as the entrepreneur at present. Simply speaking, innovation is first, risk taking is the second, then as per the present situation, empowering others is the third. If you are having all these three essential qualities in the present situation in 2021, then you are the first entrepreneur. We are saying startup, startup. If your mindset is only business, you are not an entrepreneur. You have to empower something. You have to innovate, ready to take risk. That is the entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship is entirely different. Entrepreneurship will create more number of entrepreneurs. That is why I told the story of Amazon, how the entrepreneurial activities are created and established by the Amazon to others. Amazon is providing an opportunity to create an entrepreneurial activity. If entrepreneurship are ready to come forward, if you are ready to think yourself and acting based upon the opportunity, and very important thing is your leadership, then put together, we used to call it as an entrepreneurship. Say for example, in our example, if I think Girish, there is one name is there. Girish is coming as an entrepreneur. What he will do? He may be considered as an entrepreneur if he is having an innovative idea, if he is having an idea to take the risk, then he decided to empower his own classmates, means he is an entrepreneur. But when his entrepreneurship activity will exposed nicely, it will come when his thinking power is different. He is ready to utilize some of the opportunity. In our example, Amazon has given an opportunity. If Girish is ready to utilize that opportunity, that is the entrepreneurship qualities he is creating. Usually, I wish to tell one nice example for this entrepreneurship activity. I hope A section and B section student knows that one. One of the famous organization, now that owner is in London. I need not wish to mention that person name due to ethical behavior. Hmm? Once he used to run very big airlines in India. That airlines has been rated highly by every person, of course, not regarding to the profitability. Finance students may disagree with me because that airline was not running in profit, but the airline customer rating was very good. Suddenly, he used to think in a different manner. I need not worry whether he is a good person or bad person. That is his personal behavior. He used to cheat entire India and now he is living in some other country. How he created an entrepreneurship activity, that's a nice example is there. I think some of you find travel and tourism industry. You used to travel to different places and travel and tourism industry creates very good income. Most of them are having such a practice to travel different places. If there's a vacation, of course, now we are living in a COVID pandemic. If it is a vacation, what you will do? Our Jason used to travel to Kulu Manali. Now Jason may be in Kulu Manali by this time. Of course, now today it has been closed because of heavy rush. And Jason will nicely enjoy the river draft in Manali. That is nice practice. Same thing happened. I think some of you know, once upon a time, it has been predicted about the tsunami waves. That person was having nice resort in one of the islands in Indian Ocean, nearby Maldives. In Maldives, he was having one nice resort. I think you know about that resort. It was fully surrounded by ocean. The government of Maldives announced that within next 15 days there may be a tsunami because some incident happened inside the sea, earthquake, everything. And they predicted that due to that situation, there may be a tsunami in that place. So the government asked all the people in this resort should vacate. The entire island people you can vacate so that you will be in a safer position. Same thing happened. This person is having a nice resort in that island nearby Maldives. So the manager of that person also mentioned to the his boss that we are going to vacate this island because the government announced that tsunami is going to come. He sent a mail Within 1 hour, he received a mail from his boss. You need not vacate. This person was astonished. Why boss is saying not to vacate? Government itself is saying that tsunami is going to come. And he have written another mail. Boss, our nearby resorts, they already started vacating. The ship is coming today evening. So all the resorts nearby our island and in our island, they are vacating and all are leaving from this place by the ship, because the ship used to come into that place once, twice, or I think twice in a week. And everybody is mentioning. Once again, he received the message. You are the manager. Do what I say. This person was worrying. See that one. And he received the message from his boss that go through our website of that resort. This manager asked, what is something? The tsunami is coming. You have to escape. But this boss is saying that you should not go out. And he used to saw in that website. That website mentioned that something different. We are going to address to the adventure people, those who wish to see tsunami in live, come and stay in our resort. See that one. That website clearly mentioned that, because there are no restrictions from Maldives in these places. Because the government is very small, they won't restrict anybody. But this website mentioned that those who wish to see the tsunami in live, come and stay in our resort. This manager was astonished. How it is possible without having anything? They have not asked me. Boss simply quoted that like that, whether the customer will come or not. See that one. The boss is the person who is an entrepreneur. The activity he mentioned, come and see tsunami in live. If you are a person, what you will do? Yes? Alan, what you will do? Are you ready to stay in a place like that? What, Alan? Akshay?
Yes, sir.
If you are ready to stay in such a place, are you ready to witness tsunami in live?
Sir, depending on the safety measures, I would stay there.
You can see Akshay is having the fear. Everybody is having the fear. But some of them may take the adventures one. I think Thomas will take the adventure one. Thomas, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I hope you will take as an adventure one. You are ready to stay in that resort and to witness the tsunami wave. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. But I need a helicopter or something.
Yes, good. You can see that is the risk-taking ability. Thomas is mentioning in a positive manner. So some of people are there. In that advertisement, that person mentioned that come and see the tsunami live. We are ready to provide the safety measures. And the advertisement, they targeted towards the people living in Latin American countries and in case of some of the European countries which frequently witness tsunami. And they simply mentioned for just 1 day stay, you have to pay 50,000 rupees. I think they converted into dollar and mentioned in addition to our lunch. Indians, nobody is ready to pay. Of course, 1 or 2 Indians are there. We are ready to give them safety. In both students mentioned like that. They are ready to say, okay, the advertisement went on global manner. Per day 50,000. Usually, normal days they used to pay only 5,000 rupees rent, but he mentioned 50,000. And in that ad, they clearly mentioned There are only 6 rooms available. Of course, there are 10 plus rooms are available, but they mention first in first who are ready to take adventures. You know this situation. Like our Thomas, most of them are ready to take that adventures one. And for their surprise, 50 persons booked for the particular day. This manager was worrying what is going to happen. And manager already packed his own baggage, everything to come back to Kerala. But here everything is going on. In the ship, he received all the materials. Usually other research people, they used to send back main things in the ship. But this person received around 10 technicians along with big shields, that is glass shields. And 2 engineers came from different countries to create a glass shield to safeguard the people living there. Within 3 days, the engineers completed 5 rooms with the glass shield. See that one, the manager thinking was entirely different. And he sent the message to boss, if tsunami come, what we have to do? Boss, and everything is going on fine. We already created the glass shields and it has been up to the mark, because in case of some of the European countries, they frequently see the tsunami. And these people came to that place, as he mentioned, as a helipad. See that one. The income comes from the helipad and they are staying off 50,000. Everything has been set. All the other resorts have been vacated. The day come. They are ready to witness the tsunami. See that one. What is the risk taken by the owner of the resorts? Of course, he owned the number of airlines. This is the risk taking. As usual, on the particular day, they never expect big waves. Of course, the tsunami came in such a small waves. Everybody witnessed. Nothing has been damaged. And within 3 days, that resort earned 5 years total income. Last 5 years, they earned around 2 crores, but within 2 days, they earned 2 crores. Because income is coming from different places. The persons who are going to stay are risk adventures people. And the owner is also ready to take that adventure game. See that one. That is the entrepreneurial activity. It is not only for risk. You have to create something innovative one. You are all doing business nicely. What is the creativeness? All the other resorts are vacating, but this person resort, they have not vacated. They created something new. See that one, dear students. These activities, we used to call it as an entrepreneurship activity. The way of thinking by the boss is different. How he acted, the manager is different, manager is opposing, but he acted in a different method. He used the opportunity of tsunami. And his opportunity is holistic, very important thing. He created safety measures everywhere. And his leadership style is balanced. Nobody will oppose his leadership also. Of course, he has done an unethical business. Now he escaped from India and he is in, I think, in UK. But see the entrepreneurship activity. Dear students, that is the entrepreneurship. He was an entrepreneur when he started his own business, then later on the big airlines, but his activity is different. If your activity is different in a new innovative thinking, your activity, how you are utilizing the opportunity, how you are creating the leadership, then you are considered as an entrepreneur. That is the concept of modern entrepreneurs. I hope you are able to do this type of activity. That is the difference between the entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship. Everybody become an entrepreneur if you are ready to have these three activities, that is innovation, risk taking, and empowering. But entrepreneurship activity is different. You are how you are grabbing the opportunity. In our example, a person grabbed the opportunity during the period of tsunami. That is the entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs are the person who is ready to recognize all these things. If you are having all these qualities, then your entrepreneurship style will go long. That is what, as an MBA student, you must know. You have to take your ownership along with your economy will be. That is what one of the other quote about the entrepreneurship. The ownership, how you are going to take in a positive manner. How the ID Mustafa has taken in a positive manner. How Dosawala created everything in a positive manner. Dear students, now you must know who is an entrepreneur, what is the meaning of entrepreneurship, how you can develop an entrepreneurship activity among yourself. Your activity only moved in a different direction. Based upon the activity only, others will identify whether you are an entrepreneur or not. You have to change from the businessman to an entrepreneur. Then, once you become an entrepreneur, you are able to engage in the entrepreneurship activity. How what Mustafa did. He decided to have a business. Then he became an entrepreneur when he creates something innovation. Once the product started moving from Bangalore to other place, Mustafa clearly identified, okay, we are able to survive. He is ready to grab the opportunity. He did it with his friends. And he is said to be a successful person because he identified a nice opportunity everywhere. He is creating more opportunities also. That is his entrepreneurship style. Even what we discussed today, same thing. Based upon this entrepreneurship, you are able to identify what are all the qualities needed for an entrepreneur. In case of Dosawala, we have discussed how innovative he is, how risk-taking he is, how he is creating the value for others. All these traits you must know from the Dosawala. Let us see the another case study. Based upon that, you have to tell me what are all the traits of an entrepreneur. In previous cases, we have studied who is an entrepreneur, what is the meaning of entrepreneurship, what is the difference. Now, we are moving towards what are all the traits of an entrepreneur. Here is the case study. It has been titled as Ballad of Bansals. Two literate person from IIT, New Delhi. Both are Bansals. They are not brothers. That is why this case study, they mention from handling bookmarks to handling multi-billion-dollar company. How they created a new organization. How they came. What they did. How they succeed. How they are doing now. What is their present position. That is quite interesting. So when we are discussing this one, try to find out the answer for the question. What are all the traits needed for the entrepreneurs? You know about the Flipkart. These two Bansals, they were IITians. Once they were in IIT Delhi, they Of course, they were from Chandigarh. When they went for a tour to one place, they used to find out why can't we can start our own business. Of course, they worked in Amazon. After completing their IIT, through their campus placement, as per the news they mentioned that they got in Google as well as in Amazon. They joined hands with Amazon, but when they were working, they decided to go for a businessman. Be clear, businessman. And from that, they decided to create something new venture. First, they started the name called DigiFlip. The idea came when they were moving here and there to a picnic spot. And their idea is entirely different. Since they are having already knowledge what they gained from IIT Delhi. In the year 2007, when they were working from Amazon, they resigned from Amazon and they decided to create a new venture. And you can see, since they are all educated, their venture has been supported by Axel India, Tiger Global, Naspers. Most of them are ready to come forward to fund these Bansal. But in case of Dosawala, it was not like that. Why? Because Dosawala was an illiterate guy. He completed only 10th standard. Not even passed the 10th standard. That is why for the Dosawala in Mumbai, nobody was ready to give money. But here the story was different. They decided to capitalize their knowledge gained from IIT Delhi. The power of venturing. They decided we have to do. See that one. They approached the VC fund, venture capital fund, especially Tiger Global, gone through their proposal and they are ready to fund money for their seed capital. See that one, you must know. They didn't start their business at their own money. They borrowed money from somebody. Whereas in previous case study of Dosawala, he created his own equity fund and started business. But here it is entirely different. Since they are literate from IIT, they grabbed that opportunity by capitalizing their studies, what they gained in IIT. Dear students, that is needed. You are able to capitalize your study, even your degree of MBA or any other it may be. You gain knowledge, come out of the fear, ready to use your knowledge to others. That is why they approach the venture fund capital people. They are ready to sponsor. Okay, you are all IIT graduates, so we are ready to give fund. Be clear, even without money, they approach third person and get the money. That is the power of venturing. Once they started the Flipkart, you can see, you can't expect the customers. They were from Chandigarh. They studied in New Delhi. But you know, where they started their business? In Bangalore. See that one, dear students. That is how they decided to create an opportunity, take the venturing, taking the risking, to come from Chandigarh to Delhi to Bangalore, from north to south. They doesn't know the behavioral part of the Bangalore people. But they decided to venture in Bangalore. They created a nice online store. But how to promote their business? They received money from venture capitalists. Good. They received expertise knowledge in online selling because they worked in Amazon. They studied in IIT. Good. Now, they wish to promote, go down. Who is the customer? Who will buy? How to promote your business? It is not an easy job. You can see what they did. Once they created the business, they created a bookmark and they went to bookstores in Church Street in Bangalore. I think some of you might have seen the MG Road, Brigadier Road circle there. In those days, it was the heart of the city in Bangalore. Even in now it is somewhat like a different place. I think Sunday I went to MG Road and Brigadier Road. It was equivalent to a desert. There was no rush. But in those days, it was not like that. Your seniors may know, or those who are from Bangalore may know that place. The Church Street. They joined with one of the bookstore. They created a small bookmark and keep inside the books in the Gangaram bookstores in Church Street. Now you can see the Higginbothams there, nearby that place. You can see an IIT guy from Chandigarh. They came down. They worked in the ground level. They were roaming in the Church Street, MG Road to Brigadier Road in Bangalore. See that one. And they used to promote their business by keeping the bookmark inside that one. So that at least anybody who has seen that one are ready to buy that book. So that is their power. Dear students, entrepreneurs should come down to promote the business. If you are unable to promote, it's very tough. In the example of Maldives resort, I told how they promoted creating an adventurous game. Come and see the tsunami live. That is their power of promoting. Here how they promoted. Here they are not targeting the adventure playbook. They used to target those who are reading the book. They roamed in Church Street, Brigadier Road, MG Road, Richmond, all these places in Bangalore. You can see who is their first customer. Suddenly, they received a message from one of the customer. First customer, his name is Chandra. I think some of you know. He's from Mahbub Nagar. He wished to buy a book written by John Wood, Leaving Microsoft to Change the World. A nice book. I don't know how many of you know that book. Some of you know about that book. First order from Chandra. He is from, of course, Hyderabad. He need a book which was written by John Wood, Leaving Microsoft to Change the World. You know, these two Bansals were very happy. Oh, we received an order. But you know, that book is not available with them. So how to respond to the customer? They searched throughout the night. They were unable to find out that book. But the first order, see that one, the power of customer. They did not wish to lose the first customer, even though the product is available. That is why I used to say, never say no. You can see how they communicated to the first customer, leaving Microsoft to change the world. seems to have an availability problem all over India. Still, my vendors has informed me that he might be available to procure books in couple of days. See that one, how they communicated. They never say no. They mention within couple of days we are able to get the book. And what happened? You know, they roamed throughout the Bangalore. Finally, in Indiranagar, in Sapna bookstore, they identified a book. Then they sent to the person. See that one, risk taking. Even though they gained zero amount, they never decided to lose the first customer. Dear students, that is very important. Never lose single customer for single price. Only thing, you should have a leadership strides. It should come through your power of communicating. How these Bansals communicate with them. That is the nice story of that one. Then, once the Flipkart developed, they decided to expand their business. That is the competence. They gain what they did. They purchased Mintra. Even it's a very big retailing unit. They raised the fund in online and they purchased for 9,000 crores. See that one, how they are developing their business. And by the end of 2010, they acquired number of business. You can see we read Mime 360, Checkmark, Buy.com, almost they purchased. That is why they mentioned that they reinvented the wheel of e-commerce in India. Very nice story. That is their power of passion, how they created the passion. Another thing, how they created the employees, When the Bansals were growing, they doesn't know about the Bangalore. What are all the lanes in Bangalore? Who will supply? They identified one person who is an uneducated person. Be clear. They identified a person named Ayappa. By that time, he used to roam in the Bangalore city for milk vending. A milk vendor. He identified that person and they are ready to pay him 8,000 rupees as salary, who is an uneducated person. His name was Ambur Ayyappa. He worked in Ashok Leyland. Then he worked in one of the logistics company, First Flight. He knows the neck and corner of Bangalore, even though he was an uneducated person. These two fellows, Bansals, identified him and they appoint him as the supply chain manager. See, the reason is this Ambur Ayyappa knows clearly what are all the places in Bangalore. The later on story is entirely different. He made them as a billionaire. Then coming to the customer, another students, a group of students from NIFT, they decided to sell the product through Flipkart. They asked the permission. They said, yes, go ahead. We are ready to provide the intermediary. You can use the Flipkart platform to sell your products. That is how they empower their own customers. See that one, the power of the entrepreneurs. What are all the traits they needed? They manage money. Money management is very tough. They have been rated. Flipkart has been nominated for India Mark Leaders by the year 2011. CNBC rated them. They are given the leader for the year 2012. By the time they used to manage the money. Even then, what happened, in the year 2015, the Flipkart balance sheet as well as profit and loss account came down. They faced first time a little loss. So what happened? Whether they have to worry, they decided we are moving towards loss, but we have to empower our customers and workers. They decided to re-engineering the Flipkart, but they clearly understood the market condition that we can't survive because new entrants are giving and they are going to give huge competition. They decide to exit from Flipkart. There was a rumor that it may be going to sell to Amazon. There are two persons ready to come forward to buy the Flipkart. See that one, it was created by them. They know how to exit. Nobody should be coming under the laws. Nobody should suffer. But we have to exit. How it is paid possible? Even this Ambur Ayyappan, who has been appointed by them as the SCM manager, what they decided within the neck of the night, they converted the employees into the owner. They decided to sell the Flipkart to Walmart. They made a claim. But you can see Walmart is ready to pay for 77% stake in Flipkart with $16 billion. Since they converted their employees into an owners, because of this deal, who are all benefited? Not only Bansals, but the employers. All the employers become crorepati. The Ambur Ayyappa, who earned just 8,000 rupees, is said to be a crorepati for 10 crores. They not only earned, but they made others to earn, even in the exit. That is the climax scene. They decided to sacrifice. You must know how to sacrifice for others. They decided to sacrifice for themselves to benefit the people working in Flipkart. That is the power of sacrificing. When they decided to sell, they decided to move out of that one. Both Bansals agreed, but to differ. Sachin Bansal announced his resignation from the Flipkart. Remember that they are friends. Even though they are friends in the business world, they decided to move out. That is needed. We can't say that we are friends, we should not move. It is not like that. It is a business. When the Sachin Bansal exit from the Flipkart, he created, because he already received money from Walmart, he created $1 billion for venture capital fund. See that one. He decided to create more ventures. That is the next story begins. And the existing Flipkart manager came out. He joined hands with that one. You can see the Binny Bansal. He decided to empower the startups. You can see he funded number of organizations later on. Now, his ventureship is continuing. He decided to put money in the microfinance. And once again, he became the CEO of one of the organizations in Navi Mumbai. I think you know. When Sachin Bansal moved out of the Flipkart, he created his own new venture in Navi Mumbai. See that one. He decided to invest $400 million in his own banking business. This banking business is nothing but the venture capital for others. He created a new business, Navi, in Navi Mumbai. And now he is empowering the others with his own money. That is the new venture created by them. Okay. Based upon this story, dear students, you must know what are all the traits of an entrepreneur. What are all the qualities needed for an entrepreneur? How far this Bansal created the value for the entrepreneurship concept? You can see, highly passionate. You should have passionation power. You are able to take the risk. You are able to motivate among yourself. Never say no. If you say no, you will move out. Your customer will move out. Ready to work in uncertainties. They know clearly there won't be any much income for Flipkart. We have to face the uncertainty. How to face uncertainty? Even by the time you have to create something new. The creative thinking of the Bansals help the people working in Flipkart. Within a night, they converted employees into an owner. Next day, Walmart purchased all the employees. Since they were owners, got the money from Walmart. Then they decided to work independently. Now they are creating new entrepreneurs. So, dear students, these are all the traits an entrepreneur must know. So, based upon that, I decided to put the news and in the WhatsApp group. What is your entrepreneurial value? Identify your entrepreneurial values. You may be a now businessman or now itself you are a good entrepreneur. What are your values? Identify, and I will create in the new group, that is new group in the sense new blog. You can post your entrepreneurial values, but you have to check whether it is empowering others. That's all today's discussion. So, dear students, based upon this one,